All right, y'all, today we're gonna make some blackened chicken stuffed with crawfish, baby. Let's go. Put it on 1 stick of butter. All right, y'all, go up on it with your Trinity now. Now go up in there, y'all, 1 pound Louisiana crawfish. Go ahead on, y'all, hit that with my W sauce, baby. I'll take half of this, what we mixed up, y'all, put in the bowl. Half a cup Kobe Jack, half a cup of mozzarella. Go ahead on, cut that chicken, y'all, just like that, and go ahead on and stuff it now. If y'all ain't got none of my seasoning, go ahead on and get you some of that blackened seasoning, baby. Coat both sides. All right, y'all, another stick of butter, babe. Now go up on that griddle, y'all, medium heat, cover them babies up. All right, y'all, get you some cooled off, pre-cooked yellow rice now. Remember that Trinity and Crawfish I told you to save? Go up in there with it, y'all. Hit it up with that Cajun seasoning. And a little bit of that W sauce. Go ahead on, y'all. Fry up that rice a little bit. All right, y'all. Check it out.